Conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rajesh Tigula. In the last class, we have completed control statements. In that control statements, we have completed for if else, nested if and switch completed. After that, we completed looping statement while, do while, and for. Okay, and today we are going to discuss unconditional control statements. In that, this jumping statement it come under for break, continue, go to, and return. Okay, today we are going to discuss that. Okay, now first we'll start with go to. Yeah, first we need to start with go to. Say for that, I'm looping, opening a developer C++ software, file new, source file, say first line hash include IO stream, second line using namespace std int main. Okay, next bracket open, int x equal to 1. Okay, after that I am using a colon cout less than x, then x plus plus if x less than 5. Okay, if x less than 5, then go to a. Okay, then I'm closing this. So now I'm saving this on the desktop with go to demo. Okay, say this is header file. This is also one more header file using namespace std, and this is your main method. And here I'm not writing any return type. That is your wish. Whether you are writing also, not writing also is a problem. No problem. Now run the code. So it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4 it is showing. Okay, so now it is checking x is equal to 1, printing 1, and increasing to 2. Then condition is checking. Okay, if x less than 5, 2 less than 5, condition is okay. If condition is okay, then it is going to this a loop, then it is going to execute up to 4. Because if you are taking a 5, the condition will lapse. Okay, this is the program of go to. Next I'm pasting in the notes. Okay, next we will go for continue. So continue also almost the same. Here just everything is same. I'm deleting this piece of code. Just I'm writing here int x for x equal to 1, x less than or equal to 5, semicolon x plus plus. Okay, next bracket open. Inside I'm writing one if loop. If x double equal to 2, okay, then continue. Okay, and if you are doing this, it will not print 2. Okay, next see out less than I'm giving a printing. Okay, now I'm saving this with a different name. Okay, now you can run the code. It is expecting one more in the bracket. Save. Now run the code. See here. 1, 3, 4, 5. Because of it is taking x is equal to 1 and condition is okay. If x double equal to 2, then only continue. That means in that particular thing, it is not going to print. Okay, for example, in the place of 2, I am giving 4. Let's see. File, run, need to save as. So, now execute, run. Okay, I think it's not saved properly. File, save as, save, execute, run. See, it is 4 is not printing. Okay, this is about continue loop. Now I'm pasting this code in the notes. Continue. Okay, this is about continue. Next we will discuss about return. Okay, so for return also everything is same. Okay, just here I need to write cout hello message. I'm writing here return 0. Okay, now execute the code, saving as with. Now execute. It is printing hello. Okay, now this is about the return statement. See, return means program end successfully, and if return type int means we should pass the int value only. Here I have given int, just I need to pass int. If you are giving a float value, I need to pass float. Okay, now copying the code, pasting in the notes. This is for example for return. Okay, here note. See, return means program end successful. Okay, next range based loop. Okay, this is the range based loop. It is there in C++. Okay, now we can see for code for that. Stop to here same. Next I'm deleting the code, and here when I'm using name based, I'm giving one more header file here. I'm using strings here, include string. Okay, now using namespace and word name. Now I'm taking a data type string. Okay, string s equal to some name I'm giving travel and a semicolon. Okay, next I'm taking for loop inside for char c colon s. Okay, now out less than s, less than space semicolon. Okay, now one more end bracket, and here I need to write return 0. Okay, now I'll run this code, save as the desktop. Okay, execute and run. See, it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times because of 7 spellings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is for loop. But when you are running this in your system, first you will get one error. Uh, you will get one error like range based for loop are not allowed in C++ mode. Okay, we need to do some setting. Say if you are running this code in your system, you will get one message. I'll show the message and how to avoid. This is the code. When you are running this, you will get this message. Range based for loop are not allowed in C++ 98 mode. You will get it. For that, we need to do one modification. We need to add this. Say go to C++ in developer C. Just open tools. Here we should do compiler option. You should go. Okay, you can see here. You should go here. Compiler option. Tools. Compiler option. You should go. See here. We should add this. Okay, I have given in the notes. Tools, setting tabs. Okay, tick here, add following command. See, this is the command you need to add. Okay, what you need to do, go to tools, compiler option and setting tab, tools, compiler option and setting. Here we should add. See, already I have set this. That's why for me it is not showing. For you, you will get this error. Once if you are rectifying this with these steps, if we are adding this, he will not get any error. Okay, that means this library is not there by default. We are adding. Okay, okay, this is the total concepts of control statements. Just once again, I'm revising. See, control statement which alter the flow of execution is called control statement. There are two types of control statement: conditional and unconditional. Conditional decision making and looping. In the decision making, four will come like if else, nested if and switch. If you go for looping, while, do, while, for. And when comes to unconditional, they are called jumping statements. In that you will get a four jumping statements: break, continue, go to and return. Okay, if you see the notes for break, see first go to, see break already we discussed in the switch loop. See, this is for go to, or this is the any name you can give here and with the colon, and when you are calling it is going to call a number of times. Okay, next continue is there, and this go to eliminated from the Java technology. And continue, just we are giving one particular thing. If you are continuing means except this it will execute remaining. And return statement and range based function, range based for loop. Okay, this range based for loop is like a object oriented technology. See here string, string, I told C in C++ string there is no data type, but here I took as a data type because of I am using object oriented concept. Then when you are using object oriented concept, string is a data type and string is a class. Okay, but it will allow only object oriented concept. Okay, now you will get that error. If you are seeing that error, we need to overcome that error through this process. Go to tools, compiler and setting tab and add the following command. This is the command we need to add. Okay, see up to here that control statements are got over. Next we will continue with the array concept. Okay, if you require notes or if anything is there, directly you can comment it and subscribe our channel and to get the continuation videos. Thank you for all.